Well, I think I've lost my mind. Decided to see what would happen if we put some street tires on the Temu car. And maybe with that lighter tire for a spare, maybe it'll bounce less. So we're gonna find out, see what it does with these. Stay tuned. And as an added bonus, look how good the Typhon Grom looks with the Temu car tires. And just like the original wheels and tires that came on the Typhon, they're no foam. They feel a little bit harder in compound, but we're gonna give this a go too. See what it does with these. Will they blow up on 3S? I don't know. You're gonna have to stay tuned and find out. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, and peace.